In a bird's eye view, you only spoke in tongues. The last shot was fatal. Mercy, what have you done? Your fingers smell like metal. Those were your daughters and sons. They passed away in the cradle with their grandfather's shotgun. We laid them in wild, wild cages where the children play. Armed and dangerous, we're sorry for the delay. The boogeyman is feral and the angels are silenced. The demons are sterile and the people are violent. We'll deal with that later. Can you smell the bodies burning? The kids wear respirators, but they're still learning. In the wild, wild cages where the people pray, prices are outrageous. Everybody's gotta pay.